fixing interface for Lexus UX200 2019 model. This is the original menu. We'll install at the back of this screen, and it's completely plug and play, no wire cutting, no extra work. Go to the Android menu, you have to press this button and put it on the AUX button. Right now this menu is coming. It's an Android interface. There is navigation, videos, like music, mirroring as well. So we will start one by one. It's a navigation, a SciG. It's offline map. Without internet it needs just one-time update, and after it will be free. So we installed two USBs here. We installed two USBs here, which is one for the Apple CarPlay, and the second one is the normal USB. You can charge your phone and you can use